Hey guys, wanted to do a review tonight of just the market and sectors, so you can see. Uh, Really, we haven't gotten back over that 21 EMA. You can see today we actually tested it pretty well on the ES, NQ, YM. We all tested at 21, so we had a nice push up there throughout the day. But you can see in the end, bears ended up taking over. You can even see with the SPY and the Q, we went back up to test to possibly test it on open, but you can see today was pretty much a sell off. So we are still weak everywhere across the board. We'll take a look at the sectors. So you can see here, we've got the top or the more heavily weighted sectors on the top here, and then the lesser weighted sectors on the bottom. But you can see semiconductors, tech, healthcare, communications, consumer discretionary, and financial. They're all still weak. Out of all the sectors, I mean, semiconductors and healthcare. Healthcare actually opened above the 21, but you can see it had a peak up towards 131, and then pretty much just took a dive for the rest of the day. So things are still weak across the board. XLE, which is energy, even though it was above the 21, it still opened lower than the last few days, and the same with utilities. Both these sectors have been strong as of late, but you can see they actually open lower than the previous high transition, and just kind of either based or had consolidation period throughout the day. So everything wasn't, there wasn't anything that was strong this week, or had a lot of strength. So we'll see. Things can get interesting next week. If we go back to the SPY here, you can see here that key daily level on the SPY was 422-ish for me. It broke down past that level. If we look at the daily on the SPY, we actually broke down and closed below that 420 level. So we could easily see 415-ish, 414-ish come next week. But, anything's really possible underneath that 21. Whenever you're underneath that 21, things do get pretty messy and pretty volatile. So anything is possible here. Let's go to the daily over here so you can actually see where the SPY is on the 21. So we got the 21 here at 432. You can see we're well below there. We opened well below there at 428. And we've got a low around 411. And if you look back over here, our next setup or our next low is around 404, 400. So, I could easily see us getting down there. It's just kind of a wait and see game right now. If we look at the weekly chart on the SPY, you can see we've had selling pressure coming in as of late, which could push us down to that 404, 400 level. And that's where we've had some support at in the past. So we'll see how things play out next week. Should be an interesting week for the market. With that being said, hopefully you guys traded well this week. Hopefully you mitigated loss, and hopefully you took A+ setups. If you got any content, any that you want me to review, please let me know. Any comments, anything you want me to go over, I will. Just leave it in the comment section. Please like and subscribe if you do like the content. If there's something you want to see, once again, please hit your boy up, and I'll get it posted. With that being said, you guys have a good weekend. Make sure you study up, get you some rest tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Talk with you later.